Want to create a 15-second AI ad that looks professional without spending any money? Also want to use all the premium models? In this video, I will show you how to use latest Seedance to generate high-quality AI ads completely free. So, let's get started. First, get the link from the description. When you open this website, must be check here the refer code is added correctly or not. The reason is by using my refer, you can earn some credits right now. Also, you can get future free credits. Now create an account. I will sign up using Google. After your account is set up, choose the free plan. And here is the main interface of this website. As soon as you use my link to sign in, you will receive 100 credits instant. Also, if you click here, you can see more 200 claimable free credits. Claim the credits and we have 300 free credits. Now, let's create our AI ad. Create a new folder by clicking here and give it any name you like. Then create your first project, and before generating the video, you'll need a product image. You can either create one using an AI image generator or use your own product photo, as I don't have any, so I'm using Google Flow to generate mine. Here is the perfect image according me. When you have the image, add a video node by clicking here. Next, add an image box and add your image. Then connect the image into the video node. Now all we need the prompt. As I don't have anyone, simply I will ask ChatGPT by uploading my product logo for a detailed product ad. Then I will get the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here into our tool. For the model here, you can get all the popular models. For me, I will use Seedance 2 Mini. Then set the quality, ratio, duration, and hit generate. Select the Seedance 2 Mini model. Upload the image, enter your prompt, and click generate. If you want to use the exact prompt I'm using, just comment prompt below and I will share it with you. You can also upload your own face if you want to feature yourself in the advertisement. In just a few minutes, your 15-second AI ad will be ready. The free version exports videos with a watermark, but you can easily remove it using another tool or website. If you want the best uncensored AI tools, check the video that's on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you there.